Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition and life coach specialized in obesity and diabetes management. So today is the day of disasters and experiments in the kitchen. So I made two types of one was like a pound, like a cinnamon pound cake, one like a cake with a recipe from Meet Your Potential for her brioche based bread, like carnivore brioche bread. I've already made that bread first time. It went quite well, but not exactly like amazing. The bread collapsed quite a lot, but the flavors were still amazing. So I thought I'll give it another try, and I literally made a disaster, but somehow still able to present you with something that looks pretty nice. I haven't tasted it yet though, so I can't call victory yet. But yes, so basically what I did is the same recipe. So I separated, instead of just doing 8 eggs, I did 12 eggs. I separated them, and then I whipped up the whites like normal. So the only thing I added that I didn't like last time is cream of tartar, which I thought would stabilize the whites a little bit better. And then when I finished whipping up the whites, that's where my mistake was. I totally forgot to add the powders, which was supposed to be egg white protein powder and collagen powder. So I continued to making the cake, not realizing that I did that. So I whipped up the egg yolks with 2 tablespoons of butter and some stevia, and then I incorporated everything, divided the dough in 2. So the first half I was gonna make a cinnamon swirl kind of pound cake. I butter up the mold, and then I layered up the butter of the butter with some cinnamon. Did all these layers till the top, and then I used the toothpick to make a swirl. And the second one I divided again in 2. Half of it I added chocolate, like a cacao powder, and then again in like a small cake tin, I buttered up really well, and then I did again the layers, and I wanted to make like a marble effect, and then I placed it in the oven. And then I realized my mistake, so I retrieved the cake, put it back into the bowl, added the powders, which I'm gonna give you the exact measurement, how many tablespoons of everything in the description below. And then I put them back into the oven. I honestly did not think I'll have anything to show, but they actually like even raised a little bit, they cooked. So I thought show must go on. So with the kind of chocolate cake, I managed to cut it in half, and so I went a little bit crazy. I did like frosting, or like stuff, how do you call what you put in between the cake? I don't know. This is the first time, this is the most baking kind of that I've ever done in my life, like the big first cake of my life. I love cooking, but I don't like baking these sweet things. So I made like a filling with cream cheese and double cream and a bit of stevia. And I filled the cake up with that, and then on top I made like a chocolate ganache with some 95% dark chocolate that I melted and added to the double cream and the cream cheese. I frosted the cake up, and I mean, look at that, it looks pretty amazing, isn't it? So what I did with the pan, like the cinnamon pound cake kind of thing, I sliced it up and I cooked it. I toasted it up with a bit of butter and cinnamon, and with the cake I just cut it, and here I have it. I mean, this looks so impressive, so I really hope it tasted good. The bottom is really dense, so I don't think it cooked all that well. But let's see if I saved it with the frosting and everything. was gonna lie to you and say they're like amazing, but look at the fact that completely ruined the recipe is not bad. But you get the idea. I mean, if you did it properly with the dosages and everything, I think it would be amazing. You would get proper like birthday cake and a proper like cinnamon bread. With the cinnamon bread, I think I can make good French toast, so I'm gonna try that. Because it's just a bit dry, like they both are a little bit like dense, because I feel that they lost all the air when I had to take them out and all that. But I think I might try it again eventually when we eat all this cake, because it was also my partner's birthday, so someone else brought cake, so it's like this is literally cake house right now. But yeah, I think the idea is really great. You can literally like go crazy with like making like a Sahel style cake, or you know, anything like Victoria sponge, lemon drizzle, like with this base you can really make a cake, which I think is pretty great. So if your birthday is coming up, a special occasion, you want to stay carnivore, animal based, you can make a cake, and you can make something really nice, really sweet, to get if you have sugar cravings or not. You just fancy something like sweet, you can definitely make it with this recipe. So thank you, Meet Your Potential, for this amazing recipe. I'm gonna keep experimenting with it. I'm quite ashamed. You can see the unbelievable mess I did today. It was stressful, guys. Today was stressful. I kept making mistakes, but hey, as I say, show must go on. So thank you so much for sticking with me with all my crazy experiments. I hope you enjoyed watching these videos. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you do wish to see more content like this. I also do a lot of educational stuff, so you can have a look at that. I have links in the description below. But yeah, I wish you a lovely, amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.